Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to use GoFullPage extension to take a screenshot. First open your Google Chrome browser and search on GoFullPage. After search you can find this result and add this extension on Google Chrome. I am already installed this extension on my web browser. After installing, now you can create a full page of screenshot with GoFullPage Chrome extension. Just click on it. It will take a full page screenshot. Now you can download this screenshot as a PDF file, or you can download also a JPG image, and you can change image format JPG to PNG or many more features. If you want, you can go premium version. You can also edit this screenshot, but you need to premium version. Thank you.